War in the workplace has broken out. It's now more than just serious. It's affecting lives, it's ruining productivity, and it's robbing the stockholder of their investment of why a company even exists. Instead of fostering a workplace that is free from harassment and psychological manipulation, the managers where I work have bought into the lie of using psychology to pit one worker against the other. It's deception, it's manipulation, and it's destroying the American workplace. I can say from personal experience that the intentional deceptions played by the managers to encourage one worker to believe in the ill motives of another in order to get them to fight, and in their thought pattern to motivate them with bad motives to work harder. This, in the long run, is destructive. It seems sometimes, although from my experience, rarely, that the productivity and the intensity of work will increase for a worker, but in the long run, it fosters Hatfield and McCoy type interactions in the workplace. It distracts from productivity, and it's expressly against most companies' stated company policies and culture. This, although it's spoken of clearly in meetings, is totally disregarded. The exact same methodologies and tactics used in cults to convert and mind manipulate subjects is exactly what is occurring in the workplace. The use of isolation, trying to instill feelings of rejection, trying to impose a hierarchy of psychological dominance, and to instill a sense of helplessness. These are all counterproductive in terms of the purpose of a company and the due diligence required to ensure stockholders get a return on their investment, but it does bolster the sense of power for the managers in believing that they can psychologically control their employees. This mafia-style harassment and intimidation has propagated and spread and become an epidemic. I explain all the psychological makeup and the groundwork in my other videos. I created this channel with the full intent to try to provide people with the tools to free themselves from psychological manipulations, from psychological warfare, and from information operations. Now this policy and this practice is widespread, and I pity people who don't have the background to protect themselves from the intense effort to try to demoralize people and make them feel helpless, pitting one person against the other in this seeming effort by those that are managers and the dominant people to protect themselves from being attacked by other folks by keeping them busy attacking other people. This is counterproductive. This is against the law. If they put it down on paper, they would be criminal conspiracy to deprive people of civil liberties. It's wrong, it's immoral, and it's unjust. And I'm doing everything I can to alert people, inform them, and if I can, take legal action where I work in order to stop this. It has gotten to be a severe environment in which I work. I will try to keep you up to date. I will try to provide more videos to arm other people on how to defend themselves. But this is simply a warning that things have gotten very bad.